Hi, fourth graders. We are going to be starting a new unit in reading on main idea and supporting details. Let me just talk for a minute about what that means. The topic of a text is the overall thing that it's about. To find the main topic, you look for words or phrases that are repeated. The topic should be a word or short phrase. The main idea of a text is answering the question, what is the whole text about? The main idea should be a sentence. And details that support the main idea are found in the text. You look at the portion of the text where the author makes the point or the main idea, and then ask what reasons or details does the author give to support that point. Now we're going to be doing some practice for the next couple weeks, finding the main idea and supporting details. The first thing I need you to do right away is to get your reading packet out and open up to the pages that have the web graphic organizers. The first page has two webs on it, clothing and beach. So I need you to find that page. If you need to pause the video while you get there, you can. On this first page, it says the topic is given. Come up with details that support that topic. An example is given. So the topic or the main idea of this web is clothing. We need to come up with some details that would fit in that category. For example, sweater. Well, I might think that another example would be, maybe I'm going to say jeans. So I'll put jeans on here. What are some other things that we could put on this web? We could say maybe a hat. That would go under clothing. So you're going to fill this web up with things that would fit under the clothing main idea. So pause the video and go ahead and fill that web up. When you're done, you can unpause and we'll keep going. The next topic is beach. Now, the example that they gave us of a detail of the beach would be seashells. So other things that we could think of, I can think of sand. Maybe I think of beach towel, waves, anything that you want to think of to fill in your web. Again, why don't you pause and fill in the rest of this web. So now that we've gotten our brains going with that warm-up activity, we're going to switch gears a little bit. In this next page, they start to give us some of the supporting details, and we need to figure out what is the main idea or topic of this. So the details they give us, invitations, cake, gifts, balloons. What do you think they could be talking about? Did you say birthday party? If you did, you are exactly right. So I'm going to write birthday party. It takes me a minute here. After I write birthday party, what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to add some more details to the rest of this web. So what else could we put on the web? So they have invitations, cake, gifts, balloons. I might say kids. What else could I say? Maybe streamers. So you're going to finish filling that out. If you need to pause the video while you do that, that's fine. The final warm-up here is another category that we need to figure out what they're talking about. Paper, folders, scissors, backpack. What could they be describing that might have all of those things? I think that maybe they might be talking about school. And if they are, what else could we add? Well, I know that there's desks, maybe a teacher, So you can fill out the rest of that chart. When you're done, we are going to move on. We're doing a lot of pages today, but they're pretty easy, so it's not too much work. On this next page, there are 4 passages to read. There are also 4 titles at the bottom. What you need to do is you're going to read the passage and decide which of these 4 titles would fit the best. So you're going to rewrite it as the title up on top of the passage. So the first one says, kitchens usually contain a variety of different appliances. Toasters are useful when you are eating a bagel or sliced bread. Soups are often made in slow cookers. Coffee lovers will usually have a coffee maker on their countertop. So we'll look down here. Which of these titles would best go with that? Steaming vegetables, history of the refrigerator, kitchen safety, or kitchen appliances? I would say that for that first one, kitchen appliances would be what we would want to copy up here, because it tells about different kitchen appliances. So you'll do the same thing for the rest of these passages. And also on the next page, again, there's 4 passages and 4 titles. So you'll read the passage and figure out which title should go in the box. When you're done with that, the following 2 pages are, again, very similar, except this time they don't give you choices. You have to write your own title. So the first one says, Labrador Retrievers are very popular dogs. They are friendly, loyal, and eager to please. Also, Labradors are very intelligent and are very easy to train. Because of this, Labradors are sometimes used as guide dogs, rescue dogs, and as a helper while hunting. A Labrador is a great type of dog to have as a pet. Now, if I was going to write the title of this, I might think, okay, so it was mostly about Labrador Retrievers and all the good things about them. So I might say my title is Good Things About Labs. And so then we would do the same thing for the rest of them. Now, when you get to this page, you're going to stop. We're doing this tomorrow. So the last page you should do should be the filling in the title page. So I know it's a lot of pages today. Let me go through and count how many pages that you're doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pages to do, which sounds like a lot of work, but they'll go very quickly. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will talk to you tomorrow.